Hello and welcome to Online Gujarat News. I am Kaushik Parmar. Let's see today's news. Gujarat's Sanand-based Acura Polytech Private Limited has made AccuCell fumigation and sterilization chamber to protect from coronavirus. A simple 35-second walk-in chamber will disinfect virus completely. Let's get the detail from MD of the company, Mr. Hasmukh Shukla.
Hello sir, what is the good name?
I am Hasmukh Shukla, Managing Director of Acura Polytech Private Limited. Let me just demonstrate our AccuCell fumigation and sterilization chamber to start with. We have kept the hand sanitizer to do the hand washing before entering the unit properly, and then we will pass through the UV chamber, which is disinfecting the most of the organism on the body and the clothes. So here we are doing the UV disinfection and the people are supposed to pass through this within 15 to 20 seconds, which is sufficient for UV disinfection. And now let me just take it to the very innovative and specialized his disinfection chamber, which is using the very sophisticated water-based alcohol fumigation system. This machine is imported from Germany and is totally giving you the smoke which engulfs your body and fumigates it totally for all the bacteria and the viruses. So as you can see, it gives the constant fumigation smoke and is very effective onto the person. Special disinfectant chemicals like hydrogen peroxide and other things are added into it. So the person can travel into the chamber within say 35 to 40 seconds. As you can observe, the AccuCell fumigation and sterilization chamber is of the size 12 feet long, 4 feet wide and 7 feet height, and it is made up of the UPVC solid foam profiles for the wall panel and UPVC trapezoidal sheets for the roofing. And this kind of cabin is very useful for the high risk areas like isolation areas, then quarantine areas, as well as the hospitals, banks, railways, airports, and also for the big industries like cement industries, pharma and other industries to save the people and protect them against the spread of corona. And let me say that is we are joining the Abhiyan done by Sri Narendra Modi and his team along with the social workers and other people. So this is a noble cause for which we would like to use the maximum to control the spread of the corona. Thank you. Jai Hind. We have introduced the AccuCell test sample collection units to safeguard the life of the health worker, because when the health worker or a nurse takes the sample from the corona affected people and puts the swab into the mouth of the patient, then he is likely to cough and sneeze, and that has the potential danger to the health worker which can make him corona positive. To introduce the same, we have placed the latex gloves onto the chamber which safeguards any contact with the patient of the health worker, and this way he can collect number of samples in a day without worrying about the infection.